So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng sauce para sa roasted duck. Kumukuha kami ng katas mula sa na pinagmulan sa pag-roast ng duck. Konti lang pa dahil masyadong oily. Just to make it taste more tastier, huh? Oh, by the way, the duck is done. Maghahalo tayo ng isang or 2 teaspoon ng flour.
2.5 maybe. It's also for
Yeah.
4 people, 5 people.
Tatansyahin nyo lang kasi pag marami masyado yung flour, masyadong sticky yung sauce niya. And then after that, you put some cool water, or not warm, not cold, but cool water. It's not heated, by the way. Mini-mix niya before niya iinitin. Para hindi magbuo-buo yung flour sa tubig. And then we're using Maggi. Where is it? It's Maggi cube. Just one of this. There are 2 in each pack, or yeah, just one, huh?
Yeah.
And then the ox beef cube, and then another one, nor beef cube. Isa din. You have to be careful with the fire so that it won't hindi mabuo yung flour niya. And add water as eventually if you need to make it smooth. And then you add in the cubes. With roasted duck, we sometimes use this special bouillon for the duck, roasted duck. Again, Maggi cube, 1 Maggi cube, 1 ox cube, and 1 beef cube. and then a bit of sugar to balance the taste, and then the bouillon, the duck bouillon. Pinch, maybe a pinch.
Yeah, half a teaspoon maybe. Huh?
Yeah, just about, not a pinch, half a teaspoon, or kayo nang bahala kung anong gusto niyo na taste. If you want it stronger, then you can put more. And then we add in some cream. And also, it depends on you how thick you want it. Or how creamy you want it. You can add more. And then lastly, the food coloring, the brown one. Huh?
Maybe around that, huh?
Yeah. So if you want it more thin or thinner, you can add water or even broth kung meron kayong broth. So that's it. We're about ready to go or to eat. I think, yeah. So, yeah, guys, bon appetit. Kain na na.